How far would a celebrity parent go to protect their child from a public scandal? That's the burning question, as bombshell police body cam footage just dropped, exposing a heated interaction involving, quote, The View co-host Sunny Hostin and her son Gabriel. It all stems from a trespassing incident where Gabriel was caught on active railroad tracks in New York, and let's just say, things got intense. The newly released video shows Sunny aggressively arguing with officers on her son's behalf, immediately pulling out the infamous Harvard card to vouch for his character, even mentioning her own past as a federal prosecutor. Gabriel was reportedly cuffed while on the phone with his mom, painting a dramatic picture of the encounter. Sunny claims they're new to the area, leading to an honest mistake and an unseen, no trespassing sign. But the optics of a celebrity trying to use their status are certainly raising eyebrows. Now, with Sunny personally representing her son and writing to the DA to drop the case, the drama is far from over. Is this a mother fiercely defending her son, or a powerful figure attempting to skirt justice? We'll keep you updated on every twist and turn in this unfolding saga, so make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop.
Stay tuned for more exclusive celebrity news and entertainment scoops.